Welcome back. In this episode, we uncover the process of constructing a hidden 28 square meters hobbit-style bunker from the ground up. The project starts with removing dry, lifeless trees to harvest solid logs for the main framework. Each log is carefully stripped of bark and cleaned to make it suitable for building. The base of every post is lightly charred to boost durability and guard against moisture from the ground. After charring, a heavy coat of wood tar is brushed on to seal the posts and extend their lifespan. For holes are dug, and the treated posts are set onto stones placed precisely at the bottom. Additional stones are packed around each post to ensure the wood never touches the soil directly. The stones are compacted firmly, forming a solid foundation that carries most of the structural load. Temporary diagonal supports are attached to the upright posts to prevent inward movement during wall installation. Sidewall logs are carefully lowered into position, fitting snugly between the vertical support posts. Each log is laid horizontally, forming strong linear walls that define the cabin's length. Alignment is checked continuously so the walls stay straight and visually even as construction progresses. Gaps between the logs are fine-tuned to block wind, moisture, and insects from entering the space. Every section is fastened securely, increasing rigidity and helping the structure withstand harsh weather. The repeated placement of logs builds momentum and gradually reveals the cabin's overall form. The team prepares 4 cubic meters of pine boards and begins crafting them into smooth, curved arches. Each board is fitted into a curved mold that guarantees precision and a consistent arc shape. Multiple layers are nailed together while G-clamps apply pressure to hold the correct curve. Reinforcement pieces are installed at key points to strengthen the laminated arches over time. Once formed, the arches are removed from the molds and inspected for straightness and accuracy. The finished arches are carried to the structure and carefully set between the standing walls. When the fit is confirmed, long nails are driven through the joints to lock everything in place. Final inspections ensure the arches sit evenly, remain secure, and can support upcoming construction stages. Careful planning at this stage is vital, as every choice directly affects the bunker's strength and safety. Choosing the right location is especially important since the bunker will eventually be completely buried under soil. Builders must assess soil strength carefully to avoid movement, sinking, or uneven pressure on the bunker walls. Roof construction becomes a major focus since it must support a heavy load of earth above. Precise shaping of the arches is critical so they retain their form once buried under soil. Initial planning involves calculating exact arch spacing to achieve optimal roof strength. Premium materials are selected for the roof because the soil load requires lasting structural reliability. Thorough early preparation ensures the underground bunker remains strong, dry, and secure for decades. In the next phase, crisscross wooden slats are fixed onto the arches to increase rigidity. These diagonal supports form a unified shell that spreads weight evenly across the roof. Additional curved planks are installed outside the arches to build up supportive exterior layers. Once in place, all components work under compression to reinforce the structure against soil and snow. Long roof boards are installed to form a solid base that carries all upper layers and boosts durability. Their extended overhang offers shade and rain protection, helping keep the future glass front cooler and protected. A vapor barrier is added to stop interior moisture from reaching the insulation and causing condensation. A plastic sheet provides early waterproofing, preventing rain from entering during construction. Foam insulation enhances thermal performance, limiting heat loss and improving comfort in all seasons. The torched bitumen membrane creates an exceptionally tough, weather-resistant layer that withstands UV exposure, heat, and heavy rain. Excess roofing material is trimmed away to give the structure a cleaner and safer finish. Unneeded roof boards are cut using a chainsaw to achieve straight, controlled edges. Each cut is made slowly and carefully to prevent splintering and maintain a smooth roof line. Curved metal flashing is installed to form a protective front awning over the entrance. This flashing directs water away from the structure, improving drainage and reducing moisture risk. It lowers long-term upkeep since the metal surface resists mold and wood deterioration. The flashing adds a crisp, finished appearance that elevates the building's overall design. The metal barrier also protects wall cladding from water splash, extending the life of exterior materials. Later on, PVC piping is installed to provide effective drainage and ensure long-term structural stability. The rear wall is constructed with rough-cut cedar slabs, giving the build a solid and organic appearance. The design draws inspiration from classic hobbit dwellings and the surrounding natural scenery. Creating a concealed bunker reflects a longing for simplicity, tranquility, and closeness to the land. An off-grid mindset promotes self-sufficiency, inner calm, and a life with fewer daily demands. The home offers emotional warmth through its rounded forms and naturally inviting interior. Hobbit-style houses are loved by many because they feel like a quiet escape from modern life. Another element that will enhance the bunker's coziness is the addition of a wood-burning stove. At this stage, durable stovepipes are installed, with each section fitted tightly for proper ventilation. All connections are sealed carefully to guide heat and smoke upward without leaks. The roof is then covered with a final natural blend of soil, water, and chopped straw. This blend forms a solid outer shell that reinforces the curved hobbit-inspired structure. Straw fibers interlock with the soil, helping prevent cracks in the upper layer. The weight of the earth adds stability and allows the roof to withstand wind and pressure. This layer shields the waterproof membranes beneath from sunlight and physical damage. Turf is laid on top to secure the surface and increase overall durability. The turf retains moisture effectively and stops soil erosion during rainfall. Over time, grass roots grow into the soil, forming a living reinforcement network. The green rooftop allows the bunker to merge naturally with its surroundings. Once complete, the roof dampens noise from heavy rain and nearby activity. The roof's natural mass helps regulate temperature and maintain stable interior conditions. Layered construction protects the structure from UV exposure, erosion, and seasonal weather changes. The front log wall is assembled quickly using basic logs gathered from the nearby woods. This method keeps the project highly affordable and achievable for nearly anyone. By using freely available natural materials, the builders dramatically reduce costs from the very start. Many remaining materials from earlier builds are thoughtfully reused to avoid buying anything unnecessary. Only critical supplies are purchased, with priority given to the most affordable options that still offer reliability. All construction choices are carefully planned to keep the final cost below an impressive $3,000. This approach also benefits the environment by lowering production needs and reducing transport-related emissions. Using reclaimed materials cuts down on landfill waste and gives usable resources a longer life. The builders emphasize simplicity, showing that comfort doesn't depend on high-cost materials. The project promotes sustainable thinking and demonstrates how imagination can replace a large budget. Second-hand triple-pane glass panels are installed to form the bunker's striking, curved front facade. The entire front wall becomes a continuous glass surface that defines the classic Hobbit-inspired look. Its curved design allows natural light to penetrate deeper into the underground interior. Triple-pane glazing offers excellent insulation, keeping the space warm during colder months. Natural sunlight filters in gently, reducing dependence on artificial lighting. The wide glass surface captures solar warmth as sunlight hits it. As a result, energy usage decreases because the facade functions as passive solar heating. The reused glass panels prove that recycled materials can still deliver high-end performance. The view through the curved glass feels expansive, peaceful, and relaxing. From inside the bunker, each part of the day unfolds like a living scene. Soft morning light enters quietly, filling the space with a warm golden glow. At midday, bright light floods the bunker, creating a fresh and uplifting atmosphere. In the evening, warm hues wash over the interior, enhancing the cozy hobbit-like charm. Raindrops on the curved glass form calming visuals and gentle, soothing sounds. Snow settling along the upper edge turns the facade into a magical winter picture. The glass wall gives the underground home a more open and spacious feeling. Nature becomes part of everyday living since the outdoor view is always visible. Life inside the bunker feels peaceful and grounding due to the steady flow of natural light. The curved glass front visually links the underground interior with the surrounding landscape. This facade offers shelter while still maintaining a strong connection to nature. The space gains a special character that only a glass front hobbit-style bunker can provide. The build enters its final phase as a custom door is crafted to fit the curved entrance arch. The top edge is trimmed with care, so the door matches the rounded shape without gaps. A solid inner wooden frame is constructed to ensure strength and prevent warping over time. A thick plywood panel is fixed to the exterior, forming a smooth foundation for finishing layers. Insulation is installed inside the door to retain warmth and limit heat loss in colder months. Synthetic leather is pulled tight over the surface to create a classic, handcrafted look. The entire build follows a DIY approach, using basic tools and creativity rather than professional services. DIY freedom allows adjustments whenever ideas evolve, making the design personal and functional. Although fully DIY, the process demands patience to complete each small detail properly. Every step is handled slowly and thoughtfully to avoid errors and material waste. Measurements are double-checked often, as accuracy is more important than speed. When obstacles arise, patience leads to solutions instead of rushed mistakes. At last, the completed door is installed with care, marking the final major step of the project. A calm sense of fulfillment settles in as the build is officially finished and sealed. For more projects like this, subscribe to Academy of Bioarchitecture on YouTube.